Hello everyone. Today in this video you will learn 15 Excel measure tricks. First of all, I will show you how to border any values. Here you can see border option, non-border option. You can try it. Now I will show you how to bold any values. Here is bold option. Yes. Now I will show you how to insert any column. Here is insert option. You can easily insert column. Okay, now in this column I'll enter some values. Yes, as you can see, Excel is very easy. If you try more and more, you can easily learn. Now I'll show you how to find out duplicate value. So if I want to find out duplicate value, we have to go conditional formatting, then highlight cell, then duplicate values. Click on duplicate values. You can see the duplicate values. Again see. Yes, done. As you can see, duplicates are showing red mark. If you change value, then you can see the result. Okay, that is the way you can easily find out duplicate value in 1 second. Now I will show you how to filter. You can easily filter any values, and filter will easy your work. If you find out any defined value, you can use filter option so that you can easily find out your defined option. Okay, also you can use filter option for smallest number or largest number. Here you can see I will show you largest number. Now I will show you smallest number. It also called ascending descending. You can say ascending descending or smallest largest number. So in this way you can easily find out your smallest or largest number. Now I will show you to use this value, how to minus any values with any defined value. So as you can see, now I will show you divide it, how to divide. As you can see, actually method are same, just you change value, plus minus division. So this is the way you can easily do it, plus minus multiplication. Actually Excel is not too much hard, just you need to learn every day one tricks, then you can see your result one day. Now I will show you VLOOKUP option. It is very important for every person. First of all, you enter equal, then VLOOKUP option, then values, lookup values is a column. Okay, now tabulator you can choose any array which you need it. Column option 2, that is the result. So you can easily do it. VLOOKUP is not too much hard. Now I will show you pivot table, how to make a pivot table you have to go to insert, then pivot table, from table, then new worksheet. That is, now you can uh, filter as your choice. I choose staff ID, then values, name. Here is the result count of name 9. As you can see, you can do it as your wish, what you want to do. There is no restriction. You can easily do it, but VLOOKUP or pivot table, it's a little bit advanced level. If you think that your knowledge is good at Excel, you can do it. Otherwise, you can't do it without prior knowledge. You can do it pivot work like VLOOKUP. Okay, thank you so much, everyone.